Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Catherine Villahermosa Gapasin, married with 3 kids, ages 22, 21, and 16 years old, living at Block 14, Flat 13, De La Costa 4, Barangay Gerisville, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am the 3rd child of the family. I'm graduate 2 years course computer programming. I have work experience in Qatar as a domestic helper, 2 years and 3 months, with couple and 2 kids, ages 1 and 3 years old. I do all the household chores like washing, cleaning, ironing clothes, and cooking. And my main duty is to take care of the kid. And my second experience in Bahrain as a domestic helper, 2 years, with couple and 2 kids, ages 4 years old and 2 years old. I do all the household chore like washing, cleaning, ironing clothes, and take care of the 2 kids. Please select me, Mom, as a helper because I'm very hardworking and responsibility, honest person, and I promise to finish my contract. And I'm willing to extend my contract as long as you can. Thank you, Mom and Sir.